You have a big dreams. Maybe you want to get fit, start a side hustle, become a YouTuber, or you want to be more productive in your day. But somehow you always end up scrolling through your phone, even when you don't really want to. And if that sounds like you are at the right video. In the next 5 minutes, I'll show you 4 powerful yet simple ways to break free from laziness. Plus, there is one common mistake that 99% of people make you will need to avoid. So make sure you watch this video till end. First, let's break this down. Ambition is that drive to do something big. But laziness, it is not really about being lazy. It is about feeling stuck. And here is the thing. As humans, we crave certainty. We like knowing what exactly lies ahead before we take any action. Let me make it more clear with example. Imagine someone who wants to start a YouTube channel. They have great ideas, but instead of hitting record, they think I'll need the perfect camera, the best lighting and flawless script before I can begin. Weeks go by and they are still planning. Meanwhile, another creator just grabs their phone, record the video and post it. Basically, they improve their content as they go. And that is the difference that I wanted to convey with this example. The first person is stuck in the perfectionism, waiting for the right moment to come, while the latter actually takes the action. And hence, if you are spending more time in planning without taking any action, you are stuck in the loop of perfectionism, where you are waiting for the right moment to come. And even studies shown that perfectionism leads to procrastination. And simple way to get out of this loop is you have to take action. Alright, now that we have understood the problem, let's dive into the solution. And the first one come here is the 2-minute rule. This 2-minute rule was a game changer for me. This rule is straight from James Clear's Atomic Habits, and the rule states that if something takes less than 2 minutes, do it now. For example, want to work out? Just put on your gym shoes. Need to start your studies? Just open your notebook and read first sentence. Now you'll ask me what happens next. As it was a small effort, you have already started without much thinking. And that tiny action tricks your brain into continuing. The hardest part isn't finishing, it is starting. The second rule which can help you is the law of least effort. We humans are wired to take the easiest route. That is just how our brain works. If there is an easy option and the hard one, we will almost pick the easy one. Hence, instead of fighting out our bad habits, why don't we make our good habits an easy choice? For example, if you want to eat healthy, keep fruits, vegetables easily accessible in your fridge. If you want to read more, you can keep books, Kindle next to your bed. And if you want to increase your productivity and focus during the work, then keep your desk clutter free and your phone out of reach. The key here is removing friction from the good habits and adding the friction to the bad ones. Because we all know now, if something is easy to do, you are more likely to do it. If you want to move closer to your goals, increase your productivity and become disciplined, then give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and my videos will help you move closer to your goals. Now let's discuss the third rule, that is 80-20 rule. And the rule says that 80% of your results come from just 20% of your effort. So what this rule is trying to convey that not all tasks that you will create in your daily routine will have equal impact on your result. You have to identify those high impact tasks which will move you closer to your goals. For example, if you want to become successful YouTuber and the videos that you are posting on YouTube not getting enough views, in most of the cases you are targeting low impact niche. Hence, if you want to level up your game, you have to identify that high impact category or a niche and create video on those topics. Remember that productivity is not about doing more. It is about doing what truly matters and prioritizing those few tasks which can bring you most of the result. The fourth powerful yet simple way of reaching your ambition is habit stacking. Have you ever brushed your teeth and forgotten to rinse? Probably not, right? Because it is automatic. You don't think of it, it's just the default way of doing the things. And something similar we try to achieve in habit stacking, where we link a new good habit to something we already do every day. Let's say after making a good morning coffee, you sit and read one page every day. Another example would be after sitting at your desk, you plan and prioritize your day. And you know the best part of habit stacking, that after a certain time, those new habits become part of your daily routine. And believe me, over time, these tiny new habits compound into massive progress without feeling overwhelming. Now let's discuss that one mistake which 99% of people make, you will need to avoid, and that is burnout. Having ambition, motivation, productivity in your daily routine is great, but if you push yourself too hard, you will eventually crash. You might have already experienced this moment. In most cases of New Year's resolution, we promise ourselves something that is out of our capacity. In initial days, we start strong, but after a few days, we feel overwhelmed, exhausted, and quit that particular goal altogether. That's why planning and balancing is the key. In my daily routine, I use this Pomodoro technique where I work for 25 minutes and take 5 minutes break. It keeps me fresh, focused, and prevents any mental exhaustion. Also, you have to remember this, that consistency beats intensity. It is not about going all in for few of the disease and burning out. It is about showing up every single day. And that's all for this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, then please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and press notification bell if you haven't already. And that's how I'll notify you for my next new videos. And share this video with someone who needs to hear this. To comment below the one small tiny action you will take today. Alright, thanks for watching this video till end. Now go crush your goals. Bye.